YouTube channel! Guys, may suot akong damit. Pero mapansin ba kayo? Char. Guys, samahan niyo ako magluto ng sinigang sa bayabas. Kamusta kayo guys? Mag-isa lang kasi ako dito sa bahay kasama si Kowa Bear. Ngayon, magluluto ako ng sinigang sa bayabas. Tapos naisip ko, magchikaan na lang din tayo mga titignan nyo naman ang hagardos ng person. So, ang update sa aking buhay ay roll VTR. So, napanood nyo na. Kailan naman yung nangyari this past few weeks kasi first month pa lang pala ng taon. My gosh. Akala ko extension siya ng 2022. So, sobrang. So, ilang kayang bayabas ang dapat kong hiwain? Siguro mga ito maasim. Nilagyan natin ng medyo hilaw-hilaw. So, ayun na nga mga be. Kamusta kayo? Baka naririnig yung anak kong si Kowa nagkangat-kat ng buto. Anak ko na siya ngayon. Okay, so as I was saying, so you've seen the video recap. Yun naman nangyari sa buhay ko. And I guess the best thing that I wanted to share is chikahan is that I've been constantly going to the gym. Guys, eto nga, i-share ko sa inyo. So, di ba, in life, we aspire to be someone. Hala, nag-TED Talk si madam. Wala naman sa background kong kusina. Nagluluto nga ako eh. Anyway, ang gusto ko lang naman sabihin ay, I've always wanted to constantly go to the gym. Ano ba yung sibuyas? OMG, I love this knife. Knife review. So, matalas po siya. It's by the Neo Flam. OMG, ang sarap pagluto. Tapos, ito na yung pinapakulaan kong bayabas A. Ito mga Ricardo. Okay guys, so as I was saying, kumuha ako ng kamatis at saka mga sili-sili. So, na-realize ko, wait, what the fuck was I saying? Sabi ko lang, na-realize ko na, I've been... Oh, ayan na mga be, change angle na. Oh my god, against the light. Guys, kayo na lang mag-adjust. Kowa, meron pa ba yan? Kumakain kasi siya ng leeg ng baka. Wait, abi ba? Okay guys, so as I was saying, kumuha ako ng kamatis at saka mga sili-sili. Ayun na nga. So, na-realize ko, wait, what the fuck was I saying? Sabi ko lang, na-realize ko na I've been slowly becoming the person that I dream to be. Yung simpleng pag-go sa gym, malaki siyang part ng maintaining ng mental health ko because imagine, when I woke up in the morning, I have to do household chores kasi ako lang naiiwan dito sa bahay. So, it's either I cook, I clean, ganyan. Tapos, I do my assignments, I attend my classes. At 7 p.m., it's either 4 p.m. or 7 p.m. Mas masarap pag-gym sa gabi for me. Parang yun yung schedule namin. I enjoy going to the gym. Tapos, guys, can you believe I already have gym friends? When I used to go to the gym sa condo, mag-isa lang ako kasi you can expect that you know everybody there, right? Saka weird naman kung friendly ka sa lahat doon, eh. Basta, you get what I mean. Tapos, medyo weird din magkaroon ng gym friends doon. Basta everybody's just respecting their own safe space. So, ayoko naman makipag-friends and like, hello, paspat. Alam mo yun? So, yeah, I've been friends with the coach, our coach Jay, Coach Jerry, the owner of the said gym, and Ma'am Jana, yung wife niya. Like, they're really kind people. I have friends like Kuya Jello, Kuya Kyle, Ate May, Janver. Janver ba? Girl, baka mali ako. I could be wrong. Basta ayun. Yun lang guys. Kayo, kamusta kayo? Comment down below. Ay, we. Hoy! Kala mo talaga narinig eh. Kunyari na lang. Talaga? Ems! Slowly becoming the person that I dream to be. Yung simpleng pag-go sa gym, malaki siyang part ng maintaining ng mental health. I enjoy going to the gym. Tapos, guys, can you believe I already have gym friends? When I used to go to the gym sa condo, mag-isa lang ako kasi you can expect that you know everybody there, right? Weird naman kung friendly-friendly ka sa lahat doon eh. Basta, you get what I mean. Hello, paspat. Alam mo yun? So, yeah, I've been friends with the coach, our coach Jay, Coach Jerry, the owner of the said gym, and Ma'am Jana, yung wife niya. Like, they're really kind people. I have friends like Kuya Jello, Kuya Kyle, Ate May, Janver. Janver ba? Girl, baka mali ako. I could be wrong. Basta sobrang cute talaga ng gym friends. Like, I'm really happy that I get to meet them every day. Ganon. Oh my God, against the light. Guys, kayo na lang mag-adjust. Yun lang guys, kayo, kamusta kayo? Comment down below. Ay, we. Hoy! Kala mo talaga narinig eh. Kunyari na lang. Talaga? Tapos, yun lang. Like, it's the major thing in my life right now. Okay, next. Let's check the bayabas if it's malambot already. So, ba't ang konyo, guys? Hindi talaga ako magsalita, please. Huwag niyo na akong i-bash. Ano ba yan ng imaginary bashers? Okay. Di pa siya super lambot. I should pakulo pa it more. Pinilit! Ayun. Yun lang naman. Kayo, guys, alam nyo, if you don't have any major happening in your life right now, it doesn't mean you're missing out in life. Respect your timeline. The time is right and it's for you. It's for you. Naniniwala talaga ako doon. And manifestation work. Kala tong background hindi na nahiya. Eh ano naman, itatago ko ba for you? Duh. Bakit tayo ka na may kaaway, sis? Oh shit, ang tagal na netong sipon ko. I've been working out, like, you know, lifting weights. Tas parang, ganun ka. Allergic rhinitis mo. Let me guess. Hindi pa lalambot to anytime soon. But, let me check. I'll be right back, guys. So, diba pinakuloan ko, tapos tinagay ko yung buto, guys, ang talino ko. Tapos nilagay ko dyan, and I don't know if that's gonna work. Pero let's see. Let's see. Hello, Be, life update. Ano, te? Buhay na bangus. Kaya ko pa ba, Be? OMG, mukha na siya sinigang! Nalagay ko na, guys, yung bangus, pati labanos. Ay, oh my God, may naiwan. Sorry. Malinis kamay ko mga be. Hindi naman maglalasang kamay yan. Tapos, yung sili. Now na ba? Mga 3 seconds pa. Charis. Sige, okay na yan. Tapos pati natanggal yung tangka. Hindi, okay na. OMG, guys. Parang real. Wait lang. Ang tanong, how would I know if that luto na yung bangus? OMG, sobrang green pa nila. Takpan ko pa mga 30 minutes. Charis. Guys, ang dami ko na nakaing tinik. Grabe, kaloka. Nakaka-overthink siya kainin. Kaya sinashare ko sa inyo. First time ko kasi itong lutuin. And surprisingly, it tastes good. Okay guys, so, story time to me and how I perceived my body. And how it affected me as I grew up. So, when I was 16, 15, 14, diba sa elementary high school, you have to get your BMI for the record of the school. And whenever I get weighed, I am overweight for my age. But my height, I'm too big for my height. For my age. So, I've always thought na I was fat the way that I look now, ever since I was young. Nabullied din ako ng elementary. I was called tababoy, tabachoy, all those stuff. Just because I was bigger than all the other kids. Kaya when I grew up, at around 17, 18, 19, alam kong pumayat ako. Because I have been receiving comments that pumayat ako. That was around senior high school, 17, 18. So, ibig sabihin, comparatively, pumayat ako. But then I gained my weight. Pero, that was because I was walking to and from school. Like, when I wanna go home and all the money that I spent for food is close to none, hindi na siya kasi sa pamasahe. So, I just decided to go home and walk. Kasi malapit lang yung bahay namin sa school. At around senior high school. Kaya ako pumayat kasi I've always been walking. Ang mahal kasi ng pamasahe. Allowance namin maliit lang. Nung nakita ko yung katawan ko when I was in grade 8, grade 9, I was so pissed at how I was supposed to feel good about myself comparing to how I was feeling when I was in 12th grade. Kasi, kung i-compare mo, mas payat ako nung grade 7 and 8 and 9 ako kaysa nung grade 11 and 12 ako. Pero payat ako for my age at 11 and 12 kasi nakikita ko at naririnig ko rin sa mga teachers ko na pumayat ako. Pero, I felt so bad na parang OMG, this girl who has this picture, which is me, at grade 7 and 8, felt so big sa damit na suot niya. And it was because I wasn't wearing the right clothes. Lahat ng ate ko, petite. So, lahat ng sisters ko, petite. So, when they pass down clothes, it's not supposed to fit me. Kasi nga, yung body shape ko, mid-size. If you know that body type, ang daming mid-size girl. So, parang, I think it contributed to my depression at the same time. Kasi I felt like I wasn't deserving of love, of attention, of praises. I'm only mataba, chubby, cute. Cute kasi mataba. Parang, that was the closest compliment that I get. Cute ka. Kasi chubby ka. Ganon. Sorry, umaalog. Wait lang. So, ayun. Kaya you can see that I'm so obsessed on losing weight. Mula noon na ngayon, guys, I remember I was doing a bunch of cardio. Kaya din pala ako pumayat. I was searching on YouTube paano pumayat. I followed YouTube videos for cardio, full cardio. I remember I was crying while I was doing leg raises and crunches kasi iniisip ko, why do I have to experience this kind of pain para lang sa validation ng ibang tao? And you know what? I still felt this mga 1 week ago. My ate, who's my cousin, goes to the gym with me. Thanks to her, I'm always at the gym. She supports me kasi. And then, I was doing back leg extensions. Is that the right term? Basta parang nakadapang version ng leg extension. And it was freaking difficult. Like, sobrang sakit na talaga. After the routine, for the third set, yung close to failure na ako, I absolutely cried. Dahil halo-halo siyang pain sa nararamdaman ko sa katawan ko and frustration na why do I have to experience this all over again? Like, it was the second time. Like, I remember me doing cardio at home sa yoga mat, crying because I was fat sa mata ng ibang tao. Oh my God. Guys, can you imagine? A verbal type of harassment. Let's see, harassment. Harassment yun, guys. When they body shame you, when they fat shame you, when they think it's easy for you to be like that. Kasi, yung mindset ko noon that time, it was very brittle. Like, you're just a kid in a society where everybody aims to be beautiful and nakikita mo kung gaano kaganda itrato ng mga tao ang magaganda. Tapos ikaw matabang, sinasabihin ka lagi na, ang taba mo. Like, ayaw mo ba mag-diet? Ito na nga, kumakain na nga ang dam mo. So, yun na nga, like, naiintindihan mo ba kung saan yung pinanggagalingan ko? OMG, gano'n katagal na kaya ito nga. Tsaka na-miss ko lang talaga mag-vlog and I feel like when I open up to you guys, kahit sino man kayo manood, you know, it's out there. I was able to tell you how I actually feel. Na parang, there's someone out there who feels like this, who felt like this, and who's healing from whatever happened to her. Kasi ganito nga, dati, I hate myself for looking like this. But right now, no, not really. It's just that, if you're gonna ask me ba't ako napapapayat, it's more of, I want to feel lighter and healthier. I want to feel good in my skin, but for myself. Not for anybody else, but for myself. The problem all along, the way I hated myself, it was the heaviest. Nung hindi ko na-hate yung sarili ko, I realized that was the heaviest thing ever. If I don't hate myself pala, and other people hate me, it wouldn't matter. Guys, I swear,
And that's when I started being confident. Like, you can see on my Facebook account, on my Instagram, and Twitter, you see me in person, like, I wear things that I feel comfortable in, regardless if you're gonna see my acne, my underarms, my cellulite curl. Pero, kung magrereklamo ko maitim yung kilikili ko, wala kang pakialam. Okay? All I'm saying is, if I didn't hate myself pala all along, from the beginning, I wouldn't have felt so depressed about it. I wouldn't have been so obsessed on looking pretty and being sad about not being loved by other people. Nung minahal ko yung sarili ko, guys, hindi to drama. A lot of people appreciated me for who I am more. I guess it's one of my biggest accomplishments to be an inspiration to other people. Hindi ko langat, diba? I helped other people become confident of who they are. Wait lang. Eto no hard feelings. Pero feeling ko, it's because they see that I'm imperfect. And I flaunt my imperfections. And they feel better about themselves because I look worse. Or, ganun ba yun? Or, wait lang. I don't want that to come out wrong, ha? And all I'm saying is it's okay if you think that siya nga maganto, tas ako ganito lang. Ba't pa ka mahiya?
I'm currently editing the video and I would like to apologize. Hindi ko natapos yung video, but all I'm trying to say, natinik kasi ako. Natinik ako sa bangus. Tapos di na ako nakapag-video, but all I'm trying to say is that whatever floats your boat, do it. If it makes you feel better to see me, so haggard, tas masasabi mo na, buti nga si Pao, confident pa kahit ang haggard din na ako pa kaya. Guys, it doesn't really matter as long as I'm helping you feel better about who you are, be comfortable being in your skin, whatever, it doesn't really matter. So yeah, if you have more suggestions of what contents I should do more, comment down below and I'll see you on the next vlog. Bye!